welcome back to my channel. My name is Minnie and I do makeup related videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm gonna show you guys my 3 favorite lip combinations for the summer 2021. Before we dive into the lip combinations, I want to remind you guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It obviously helps me create more content. That's it, let's dive directly into the lip combinations. Let's start the first look. This is the lip liner from MAC in the color Chestnut, and I'm going to start it by lining my lips. Next, I'm going to fill my lips in with the color Hudson from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let's do this. I love how this combo turns out on especially brown skin and Indian skin. It's just amazing. My second combination is from Vasanti Lip Line Sticks combination. I am really digging this one now. I'm really liking this one these days. I'm going to show you how it looks on me. I am going to line my lips with the color Depth Definer. This is not as dark as the previous lip liner we used from MAC. I am going to fill it in with the color Natural Instinct, again from Vasanti. It's a nude pink, really complementing on my skin. You can leave it like this, or you can top it up with a plumping hyaluronic boost lip plumper. I have left it like this and enjoyed it. It's very comfortable, it's very beautiful, and I have also used this on top of it and it looks really pretty. We're gonna see how it looks with the plumper on. It's metallic, the shade is Metallic Shine. It looks so pretty for a nice summer evening. I love how it looks, I love how it feels. It's not uncomfortable at all. I'm sorry about the lighting, the sun is playing hide and seek today, but this is how it looks. I really like this combination. For my third combination, I'm gonna use Kylie Jenner's Kylie Lip Kit in the shade Candy Cake. So the same lip liner and lip color. I love Kylie's lip kits. These are just amazing. So I like to wait in for a few seconds and go in with my finger and diffuse the color just like this. Now you can leave the color like this, which I absolutely love, or add just an ombre effect by dabbing a little bit of concealer right in the center. Very little. And go with the clean finger this time. right here. Because this is already a very light color, you don't need a lot of ombre, but if you go for a darker color, you can add more concealer as well. I love the ombre effect we just achieved. Let me know if you like this combination or not, and if yes, let me know which combination was your favorite. And do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video really soon.